Okay, so I'm doing a really different kind of video today. We'll be just talking about all the anime that I've watched and also giving you some recommendations if anybody cares about this video. I really am not sure what I want to do with my channel. Like Legends PvP is a mess, and second of all, I just get shafted. And since I'm also a free-to-play player, it's just not possible for me to showcase every unit. And I think so Legends, if you wanna be successful as a Legends YouTuber, you have to spend money to get every character and showcase them. So it's not worth doing there. And the second NXP, I've stopped playing it, so I can't even make videos on that. And Grand Cross, I'm not that much, like I play the game but not a lot, so I'm not gonna even make videos on Grand Cross either. And yeah, that's it. Those are the games. That's it about the game. So I don't know what I want to do in terms of videos. So today it's just a random one. So let's go and let me talk about all the anime that I've watched. And first of all, it is Angel Beats. People say it's really good, but for me it was just an okay show. I just did not enjoy it that much. The story was not that interesting to me, I guess. I don't remember much since I watched it a long time ago, so yeah, not that much. Like I did not enjoy the show that much, and it's a 7 from me out of 10. So I don't recommend watching this show. Let's move on to the next one. It's Anohana. It's a 8 from me. I watched it recently. It is just 11 episodes and it's just easy to watch. It is kind of like a slice of life, and it is an emotional show, to say the least. So if you are into that kind of show, you can definitely watch it. It's a decent show. It's an 8 from me out of 10. So yeah, you can definitely go and watch it. It's not a show that I'm gonna be like saying people to go, you should watch it. But if you ask me, should I watch Anohana or not, I'll just recommend and say yes. It's a decent enough show. And then we have another. It is also 12 episodes, and this show I watched it really early. Like, I mean, in terms of when I started watching anime, this was one of the shows that I watched like first. So it was a good show. As you can see, it's 8 out of 10 from me, and I enjoyed the show. I definitely recommend this show. Definitely go watch it. And then we have Assassination Classroom. It's also an 8 from me. For me, another was better than Anohana, and then Assassination Classroom is equal to another in my opinion. And Assassination, it has like 2 seasons, and it kind of got slow in between. The first season, like the last few episodes of first season, I think so, or the starting of second season, those episodes were a bit slow, so that's why it's just an 8. Otherwise, this would have been a 9. And even after that, this is a good show to watch. Definitely recommended. And then we have Blue Exorcist. So if you don't know, this show has 2 versions, and one of them had the non-canon ending, and that's what I watched. Unfortunately, I didn't know at that time, so the ending, the show was good, but then the ending few episodes were not that great because it was not canon especially. So yeah, I don't recommend watching this one. If you want to watch it, watch the other one. This is, I think so, the 2011 one. Watch the recent one that has the canon ending, I think so. And then we have Be the Beginning. It is on Netflix. It is a 7 here. The reason being, the show was decent. I don't remember much. I know that I was excited when this show ended for season 2 because they kind of ended it on a cliffhanger. So until unless season 2 comes, I don't recommend watching this one. And then we have Babylon. This show came recently. I've watched it weekly. For me, like, the show was decent, and then like the ending, I think so dropped the ball for me. I didn't enjoy it. Like, it left me with a lot of questions. Like, it didn't answer like any of the questions. It just really open-ended ending, so I did not enjoy it. So I would not recommend this one. And then we have Baccano. 13 episodes. It was a good show. The story was not like, it was not that interesting, but the show was fun itself. So I recommend watching Baccano. I don't know if this, I don't remember that much. It's been a while since I've watched these shows, so I still recommend Baccano. It was a good show. It's just 13 episodes. Definitely you can watch it. And then we have Black Bullet. I definitely don't remember a single scene from this anime, so I don't recommend it. It was not that great. You can see here it's just 6 out of 10. So yeah, not recommended. And then we have My Hero Academia. You would have definitely watched it by now. I don't like it that much. The only season I liked was the latest one, season 4. Like, that was a banger. That's why it's a 9. But the rest few, 7, 8, 7, I didn't. The one with the tournament arc was an 8 for me that season, and the rest two were just 7. So I don't know if season 1 had the tournament arc or season 2. Which one of, like, any of the one that had the tournament arc is an 8, and the other one is 7, and then season 3 was of course 7 for me. And then we have Chaos Head. Don't watch it. I don't remember even like what happened, so it's not a good show. And then we have Code Geass, season 1 and season 2. 10 and 9. Season 2 is 9. It's not show's fault. It's me, because I thought that I would never watch the show, so I watched Nux Taco's video on Code Geass, and I was spoiled on the ending, which is a really huge part why this show is great. So definitely, like, this show, it is not my favorite, but if you ask me what my favorite anime is, it's of course Naruto. But if you go and ask me what do you think is the best anime, if you would rate it, for me that's Code Geass. In my opinion, Code Geass is the best anime over Death Note, over FMA Brotherhood. Like, for me, Code Geass is the one, and so definitely worth recommend and like watching. I 100% recommend it. And then we have Code Breaker. Don't watch it. Danganronpa, don't watch it. And then we have Daily Lives of High School Boys, or Danshi Kokusei no Nichijou, whichever you like. This show was really, really good. Like, it is comedy and episodic, so like there was like overall like there was story, but it was like mostly episodic. So it's just a comedy show. If you want some comedy show, like, this is definitely worth a watch. 100% recommended. And then we have Dead Man Wonderland. The thing is, when the show, in my opinion, started to get good, it ended, and it never got any season 2 or anything. So if you want to watch this show, I think so it is, in my opinion, it was really good. So I'd say if you want to know the story, I'd say read manga if you are into it. But I don't recommend watching the show, because you're just gonna be like, the show just started to get good and then it ended, so it's not worth. And then we have Death Note. If you haven't watched Death Note by now, what you're doing here, go watch it. It's one of the best shows. And then we have Death Parade. This show is also one of those shows like Angel Beats that people say is really good, but for me it just wasn't. Maybe if I rewatch it, I would like it more, but for the ones I watched, I did not enjoy it, so I'm not gonna recommend it. And Dororo, I watched it weekly. Like, starting was really, really good, and then it just kind of like went downhill. So yeah, I do not recommend that one. Dr. Stone, it was a really fun show. It is not anything like spectacular, but it's a solid show. So yeah, you can definitely watch that one. And I'm going really, really quick because there are a few more left, and we're already at 7 minutes. So I know people are not gonna be interested in this video, and neither is YouTube gonna recommend it. So I don't wanna make this video 20-30 minutes long. And then we have Dragon Ball, GD, Super, and Z. I have not watched the original Dragon Ball ever. I might have watched one episode, but I don't. I just know a fight between Tao and I think so Kid Goku. One fight scene. That's all I've seen in terms of Dragon Ball. So GD, it was okay. Super is fine. Like, if I go and watch it again, I'm not gonna enjoy it that much. So yeah, Z, the story is good, but if you're gonna watch it now, you're not gonna enjoy it. The pacing is just absolutely atrocious. So yeah, about Dragon Ball, that's my thoughts. And Elephant Lead, yeah, as much I remember, I enjoyed this show a lot. So it is a dark show. It's gonna be a really dark show. So if you are looking for some kind of like, I don't know how should I explain it. I don't know how to explain. If you want to watch it, it's a good show. You can definitely watch it. Fate Grand Order, this is the new one, Babylonia one. It was good, but then it just kind of went downhill for me too. So that's why it's just a 7. Fate Zero second season. This was fun. Like, Fate Zero was fun. So yeah, definitely go watch it. Fruit Basket, watch season 1. Currently watching season 2. It's a good show. It's kind of slice of life-ish, but there's also a story to it. So, and like, if you like shows that are like mostly focused on characters, then yeah, you can go watch it. Otherwise, like, just give it a shot. You'll get to know if you will enjoy it or not. For me, it is a good show. So Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood, do I need to say anything about this one? 10 out of 10. Like, I don't think so I need to say anything about this show either. Gakugurashi, it's a 7 from me. The when I heard the plot about it, like it was when I was watching some videos and this show was recommended, and in that they said that there was a like the twist in the first episode that intrigued me. But as I watched the show, it was, for me, I did not enjoy it that much, and I've heard that the manga is just way better. So if you are interested in the premise, then go read the manga. I don't recommend this show. Ghost Hunt, I watched it really early. Again, like this is a show that I watched at the starting of my anime watching thing. So I don't know how good it is. I'll not recommend it. If you are there, like you're out of shows and you have never watched it, you can give it a shot. But I don't think so you're gonna enjoy it that much. It's not bad, but I don't think so it's anything good. Goblin Slayer, it started pretty strong and then just went downhill. Don't recommend it. And then Golden Boy. Those of you have like watched this show, you know how crazy this show is. But if you want some wacky shit, like just go watch Golden Boy. You're gonna see like halfway through the first episode you'll see like this show is gonna be wacky. It only has like 6 episodes, so if you're looking for something wacky, go and watch it. Great Teacher Onizuka, I watched it recently. Good show. Gets slow a few places, but it was like comedy was good and the story was also fine. Like there was not like any story, but for what it was a good show, so I'll recommend it. Haikyuu, it definitely comes, and like Haikyuu is in my top 5, I'd say, in terms of anime. Like it is just such a good show. If you're that kind of a person that thinks like you feel like you're not interested in a sports anime, it is a sports anime. It is focused on volleyball, but it is more focused on characters. So just give it a shot. I think so you're gonna enjoy this one too. And then we have Devil's a Part-Timer. And this is also one of those shows that people say are really good. For me, it was just an okay show. It's a show, like if you ask me if you should watch it or not, I'll say, oh, yes, you can watch it, but I'm not gonna go out of my way to recommend you this show. So that's about it. And then we have High School DD. I don't remember anything, not anything, but not a lot. I just remember 10% of how it went, and then season 4 I didn't even watch it because I was not interested in it. So if you want some edgy, I think so this is the best you've got, High School DD. So if you want some edgy shows, you can watch it. And we have High School of the Dead. It is that show where the guy uses a gun from girls' like boobs and stuff. So if you have definitely watched that clip, it was a good show. But the thing again, it left the story. There was a lot of story to cover, but they just ended the anime. So I guess if you feel like if you watched only watched it if you are interested in reading manga, because the story they just left off. There was a lot of still I think so stuff to left covered. So, and then we have Hunter x Hunter. It again, I don't need to say anything about Hunter x Hunter. It's a 10 out of 10. The only thing that I have to say, it's a little bit controversial when it's already been 13 minutes. Okay, I'll have to be a bit quicker. People say Chimera and Dark was the best one, out of all the other arcs. For me, it was kind of the worst one, to be honest. I didn't enjoy it that much, but the show itself is really good. And then this is Demon King Daimon, I think so. It's a 5. No, don't watch it. And then JoJo. Do I even need to say anything about JoJo's? Do I? Watch it. This is one of the best shows. JoJo. Once you watch JoJo's, you're just gonna become a cultured man. So yeah, definitely worth the watch. 5 seasons right now. Watch all of them. Then we have Kaguya-sama. Again, a fantastic show. You just kind of go and see the premise if you enjoy it. If you are interested in that premise, then definitely you're gonna enjoy this show. There are 2 seasons, and yeah, it's the comedy is there, the emotional moments are there, everything's there in this show. So yeah, definitely worth recommending. Kakegurui, don't watch it. Tower of God, I recommend it 100%. This came out recently, and I've kind of binged 6-7 episodes, and then I watched it weekly. So it is a really good show. I 100% recommend you go watch it. And then we have Kill la Kill. It's also a good show. Nothing much to say. It kind of got slow again at some places, but overall this show was good. So 100% recommended. And Demon Slayer, go watch it. You're gonna be blown away. The story isn't the most amazing, but the production quality and the music and stuff is just really good. And then we have Kimi no Na wa. It's a movie. Watch it. It's a fantastic movie. It's, if you are looking for an English title, it's Your Name. And then we have Parasite. I don't remember much. but I know this was a good show and I enjoyed it, so I'd recommend it. And then we have Kobayashi's Dragon Maid. I also don't remember much about this show, but I know I enjoyed the show. So if you are looking for some slice of life anime, I think so this is one of the best you've got, so you can watch that. And then we have Koi no Katachi's Silent Voice. Again, like Your Name, Silent Voice, both of them, I consider them at the same level and are really, really good movies, so go watch it. And then we have Konosuba. It's this show is hilarious. Like, if you're looking for some comedy isekai, like this is the best, I'd say. So definitely recommend it. Lucky Star, I don't know, it's not for everyone. It is more like episodic and slice of life-ish, less comedy, but it's still a really, really good show. And especially the final segments in this show, if you have watched it, you know what I'm talking about. I recommend this one. I know it's a slow show. It's not anything that you're gonna binge. I think so. I watched it like one episode a day, that's how I enjoyed the show. I don't think so it is a show that you binge. So yeah, Lucky Star, 100% recommended. Made in Abyss, it was okay, but watch it if you want. Otherwise, I'm not gonna say that you have to watch the show. Mob Psycho, it is a good show. Both the seasons, yeah, definitely watch it. Monster, one of the best anime I've watched. It's an older anime, so the animation style is kind of like, I think so it came out in 90s or early 2000s. So even if that bothers you, just give it a shot. You're gonna be so much interested in the story that you're not gonna want to leave the show. And then we have Seven Deadly Sins. It was a good show, but like, you're not gonna miss anything if you don't watch it. That's my sense, like 2 cents on the Nanatsu no Taizai. And then we have Nandekoku ni Sensei. It's a short anime short. It's just ecchi. That's it. If you're looking for some like just ecchi stuff, it's anime shorts. Go watch it. The situations the characters are put in, it's just really, really weird. So Naruto Shippuden, I don't even need to say anything about this one. Like every person that has subscribed to me and watched my videos has definitely watched Naruto. Then we have Nichijou. I was still talking about daily lives of high school boys. Why is it 8? Because this is the female version of it, and this is just way better. Like Nichijou it's hilarious. You have to watch this one. And then we have No Game No Life. It's a 6, yeah. I don't like this show that much. I did not enjoy it. I'm sorry. Noragami and the second season. It was a good show as much as I remember. So I think so you can watch this one too. And I'm trying to go really quick. It's already 17 minutes. One Punch Man is like, you have definitely heard about it. Go watch it. And then I don't remember the name, English title of this one. Onicha Dekai, though I don't know what it is. Okay, it was, and I don't recommend watching it. All right. And then we have Orewasugi. Don't watch this one either. Then Ping Pong, the animation. It was decent, but if you do not watch it, you're not gonna miss anything. Prison School. This is the first anime I ever watched, like besides Dragon Ball. It's really weird and ecchi show. If you want some weird and ecchi, go watch this one. And then we have Promare. It is a movie. Starting, it's a bit slow. Not bit slow, but of course, like any movie, the movie builds itself up. So this is a good movie. I recommend this one. And then we have Psycho Pass. Psycho Pass is a good show. Not gonna lie, I enjoyed season 1. Season 1 is the best one out of all the seasons, I'd say. And then I think so season 2 was also fine. You can definitely watch it. Then we have Konzi Gaoshao. It's a Chinese anime. I don't remember. It was based on the main character was pro in terms of playing RPG games and stuff. So I don't know. I don't remember much how much I like the show. So if you don't have any show to watch, you can give this one a shot. And then we have Recreators. It started good, kind of got slow, and then there were 4 or 5 episodes at the end that were really good, and then the ending was not that great in my opinion, so I don't recommend watching it that much. ReZero, I enjoyed the first season. Now second season is here. I don't remember the story, so I'm not enjoying it as much, but I'd still recommend this show. And then we have Sakamoto. It's a comedy. If you want, again, this is kind of in the realms of daily lives of high school boys, or Nichijou. It's similar to that, but it's not as good. So if you have watched both of them and looking for a comedy show, I think so this is the one you can watch. And then we have What was the English title? I forgot. But Sakura no Pet no Kanejo. So it is a good show. It's a really wholesome show. I recommend watching this one 100%. And then we have Bunny Girl Senpai. Show was good. Of course, the starting was the strongest one. The first 3 or 4 episodes, the first arc was really good, and then it kind of got a bit. It was not as good as the starting, but it was still a good show. And then the movie, this movie was really emotional. So if you watched that show and have never watched the movie, definitely go and watch the Bunny Girl movie. And then we have Setokai. I don't know how to say the next one. You can see it. It was a comedy show. It was a lot of sexual comedy in this show. So it was like this. There were no like ecchi scenes, but the comedy was sexual. So if you are looking for that kind of a show, you can watch this one. And then we have Kenichi, the history's mightiest disciple or strongest disciple, one of those 2 titles it has. It is a good show. It's a bit old, but it's a good show. 100% recommended. And then we have Cautious Hero. It started good, then the starting was good because it was mainly focused on comedy, and then it kind of the comedic factors got less and less, so I don't recommend it that much, but you can still watch it. Attack on Titan, no need to tell anything about this one. And then we have Steins Gate. Starting is really slow and then it gets better, but it was still a solid show. For me, it was nothing spectacular, but it was at least solid show, so you can watch this one too. And then we have Shield Hero. Okay, it's okay. If you want to watch it, but I'm not gonna go out of my way to recommend you this one. Tejina Senpai. It's a trashy comedy short again. If you want something kind of like that, you can watch it. Tokyo Ghoul. I don't think so I need to say anything about this one either. We have Trigun. Okay, we are at the end. Trigun. It is an older show. I enjoyed this show, but the ending, I think so, wasn't that great. I think so the ending arc needed a bit more episodes, a few more episodes, but it is what it is. And then we have Vinland Saga. Go watch this one, please. This is such a fucking great show. Like, just watch it, Vinland Saga. Like, you're gonna be into the story from the get-go. And then we have Promised Neverland. Again, a great anime. Definitely watch it. Yu Yu Hakusho. It was a mixed bag for me. The highs were really high and then the lows were really low. So it is one of the classics. So if you wanna watch it, it's not a bad show. It is 112 episodes. I think so. The ending was again kind of whack in my opinion, but again the show itself was pretty decent. So yeah, that's about my anime. It has been 22 minutes. I'll just finish it. I said I don't want to make this video long, and it still ended up being 22 minutes. So I guess that's it. I hope you found some shows here that you wanted to watch, and let me know your opinions about the anime that I've watched. If you want to talk about any of the anime, then just let me know in the comments below. And if you want to recommend me something, you can definitely go and do that. Don't recommend me like the famous one like Cowboy Bebop and stuff. Like, I'm gonna watch them, but just not right now. Something that you think I might have not heard of. So if you want to do some if you want to recommend me some shows, then you can do it. I know people are not gonna watch this video, but hey, it is what it is. It was worth giving a shot. I just wanted to share the anime that I've watched, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more, and I'll meet you in the next one.